Advaita acyutam anādi ananta-rūpam ādiyaṁ purāṇa-puruṣam navajovananca vedeshu dullabhaya dullabhayatma-bhakto Govindam ādi-puruṣam tamaham maya. So, Advaita. Advaita means without duality. Advaita acyuta. Krishna and Krishna's expansion. Krishna's expansion, Baladev, Sankarshan, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, then Narayan, then Mahavishnu, Karandaksai Vishnu, innumerable expansion. Advaita acyuta anādi ananta-rūpam. Each and every form, Krishna, they are without any duality. Just like my eye and my photograph, that is my expansion. But it is not one, it is dual. What service you can take from me, you cannot take this service from the photograph. Therefore, it is not Advaita. It is Dvaita, duality. You may have millions of photographs, but they are each one of them, they are different. But Krishna, he has got millions of forms, they are one. That is the difference. Advaita acyuta. Acyuta means one who does not fall down. Because he has expanded in so many forms, it does not mean the potency of Krishna has decreased. The same thing you chant in the Ishopanishad. Purnasya purnamādāya purnamīva avasishyati. Krishna is so full. Purna means complete. If you take complete Krishna, from Krishna, it still is Krishna. That you cannot understand in the materialistic condition. Because if I have got 1 rupee or $1, if I take that $1, then it becomes 0. But Krishna is so complete, you go on taking Krishna, 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 and still Krishna is complete. Advaita acyuta. Acyuta means does not diminish or does not fall. Advaita acyuta anādi. Anādi means which has no beginning. Because we have got this material body, we have got a beginning. You may ask somebody, what is your birthday? That means beginning. Anything material, it has got a beginning and end. Anything which has got beginning has got end also, and change also. So, Krishna has no beginning, there is no end, and there is no change. Try to understand. Advaita acyuta anādi ananta-rūpam. Ananta means unlimited. Unlimited forms. Krishna. Advaita acyuta anādi ananta-rūpam ādiyaṁ purāṇa-puruṣam. He is the original, oldest person, because ādyaṁ original. Just like if you find out in your family who is the original man, So, as far as you can count, go 100 years, 200 years back, find out who is the origin of your family member. So, that man must be Purāṇa. Purāṇa means very old. Krishna being the original person, ādi-puruṣam, Govindam ādi-puruṣam. Ādi means original. We do not think that he might have become very, very old, because our material conception, sometimes we paint picture. God is the original person, then he must be very old. He must have grown so much white, grey hairs. No. The Vedic knowledge says, Advaitam acyutam anādi, ananta-rūpam, ādi-puruṣam, purāṇa-puruṣam, the oldest man. But navajauvanancha, always just like a young man, 16 to 20 years old. That is called navajauvan. When a man or woman comes to 16 years, that is the beginning of youthful life. That is 16 to 20 years, this is very nice, in full energy. And that is the time for growth, intelligence. Unfortunately, we spoil this period. So we become less intelligent. Life becomes shorter. If we spoil this period, then our life will be shortened. And if we keep this period, complete celibacy, brahmachari, then you can live up to 100 years. So, this period is very nice. It is called navajauvan. Just new youthful life. Krishna will find all new, always new, youthful. You will never find Krishna's picture as old. Navajauvanach. Then again, it is said, Vedeshu dullava. What is the sound? Vedeshu dullava. Vede means in the Vedic literature, if you make research work, how Krishna is, then it will be very difficult. Then you come to the impersonal only. Vedeshu dullava. You have to go beyond the Vedas. What is that? Vedeshu dullava, adurlava atma bhakto. Krishna is available through his confidential devotee. Not that if anyone has studied very nicely all Vedic literatures, he'll understand Krishna. No. Maybe, but it is very difficult. Krishna can be delivered by his devotee. Atma bhakto. Therefore you have to take shelter of Krishna's devotee. That is parampara system. If we want to understand Krishna, if you want to have Krishna, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung a very nice song. He is praying to a Vaishnava. Vaishnava Thakur tomara kukur boliya janaho more. Sir Vaishnava, you are Thakur. You are as good as Krishna or God. Kindly accept me as your dog. Krishna, Vaishnava Thakur, tomaro kukur boliya jano. Kukur means dog. Just like dog follows the master very faithfully. We have to learn something from the dog. The dog also is a teacher. How to become faithful to the master. That's teaching we can have even from the dog. He is very satisfied. Whatever food you give, he will not protest. He will still remain faithful. There are so many good qualifications of dog. So therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Vaishnava Thakur, tomaro kukur boliya jano. Kindly accept me as your dog. I shall serve you faithfully. Why? Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite paro. Because Krishna is yours, you can deliver Krishna. Very nice. Krishna is yours. By your devotional service, you have made Krishna your property. So you can deliver Krishna to me. Therefore, I want to follow you as faithfully as a dog. Vedeshu dullava. This is confirmed in the Brahma Samhita. Vedeshu dullava. If you study independently all the Vedas, Veda is the source of knowledge, so Vedeshu dullava, it will be difficult. But if you approach a Krishna's devotee, then it will be very easy. Krishna says, Vedeshu dullava adullava atma bhakto Advaita anādi ananta-rūpam ādiyaṁ purāṇa-puruṣam navajo banancha vedeshu dullava adullava atma bhakto Govindam ādi-puruṣam tamaham bhajami. This is the next law. The record is Angani jasya sakalandriya vittimandi. Next slok is this. Advaita acyutam anādi. You can repeat. Advaita, I say, you say. Advaita acyutam anādi ananta-rūpam ādiyaṁ purāṇa-puruṣam nava jauvanancha vedeshu dullava adur lava atma bhakto Govindam ādi-puruṣam tamaham bhajami. Advaita acyutam ananta-rūpam ādiyaṁ purāṇa-puruṣam navajauvanancha vedeshu dullava-yadurlava-atma bhakto Govindam ādi-puruṣam tamaham bhajami. Thank you.